In 2013, an account on YouTube started uploading a new video every 20 seconds. No title worth reading, no description, no creator name, just a red rectangle, a blue rectangle, moving, beeping. Over 7 months, it posted more than 77,000 of them. Nobody claimed it. Nobody explained it. And when someone finally did, the account didn't even stop. This is Webdriver Torso. You'd think an account posting thousands of videos would want an audience. This one didn't want anything. It just didn't stop. The account itself was actually created in March 2013. Then nothing happened. For over 6 months, it just sat there. September 23rd, 2013. It finally posts its first video with no name attached to a person. Every video, about 10 seconds. A plain background, 2 rectangles snapping to new spots once a second. 1 beep every time they move. No pattern anyone can read. No message anyone can decode. Just this again and again and again. At its fastest, a new one lands every 20 seconds, day and night. No pauses. People notice. People start counting. By the time anyone official says anything, the count is past 77,000. Here's the question everyone's actually asking. Who is doing this and why won't they stop? Theory 1. A numbers station. The kind spies used to use, coded messages hidden in noise. Except this one lives on YouTube instead of shortwave radio. Nobody ever finds a code in it. Theory 2. Aliens. The tones are so relentless, so inhuman that a chunk of the internet decides it has to be a signal from somewhere else. Nobody ever finds a signal in it either. Then people find something that breaks the pattern completely. One video, the most watched one on the whole channel, isn't rectangles at all. It's the Eiffel Tower, real footage, lit up at night in Paris. Another video only plays if you're physically in France. It costs €1.99, and it only accepts a French credit card. Think about what that actually means. Somebody didn't just upload a stray clip. Somebody went into YouTube's own paywall settings, region locked it to one specific country, and attached a real payment method to a channel that was supposedly just a machine running quality checks. Somebody hid a silhouette of Rick Astley in the geometry of a third. None of that is automated. A test script doesn't decide to charge you €2 for a joke. This isn't an accident. Somebody's in there having fun on purpose. Theory 3, the one people land on next, viral marketing. A slow burn stunt, building toward a reveal. People had a real reason to believe that. A year earlier, a Twitter account called horse_ebooks had done almost exactly this. Years of strange, semi-nonsensical spam posts assumed to be an automated bot with no one behind it. Then it got revealed as something else entirely, bought out, and being run by an actual person on purpose as a kind of performance. If a bot account could secretly be a person, why not a rectangle channel too? Nobody ever reveals a product for Webdriver Torso though. No brand steps forward, no campaign launches. Which leaves the strangest theory standing. Nobody's marketing anything. Somebody is just doing this. Then a comment turns up on one of the videos. 6 words. Mate is highly intelligent. Nobody at first, has any idea what that means. Here's where an Italian blogger going by Soggetto Ventuno actually starts pulling the thread. He finds a Facebook page for a whole cluster of near-identical channels. Not just this one. This was never a single mystery account, it was a family of them. Names like Webdriver YPP, FF0000, Ekaterina Basic, Webdriver IVPE, all doing the same thing all at once, all unexplained. That page name's a real person. A Google employee based in Zurich named Johannes Leitner. Leitner's friends list includes another Google employee. His name, Matej Gruber. That's the comment. Not a code, not a signal. Somebody's inside joke, aimed at a co-worker. Ventuno keeps going. He compares scenery caught in some of the pulled videos against real photos of Google's Zurich office. They match. This wasn't spies, it wasn't aliens, it wasn't a campaign. It was Google, running out of their own building in Switzerland. June 2014. Google finally says so, officially. And they say it like this: we're never going to give you uploading that's slow or loses video quality, And we're never going to let you down by playing YouTube in poor video quality. That's why we're always running tests like Webdriver Torso. A straight-faced Rickroll in an official corporate statement months after somebody already hid Rick Astley in the actual footage. The real explanation is almost boring. Rectangles are easy for a computer to check. Beeps are easy for a computer to hear. Upload a clip, compare it against the original, see if anything degraded on the way through YouTube's system. Do that thousands of times a day, automatically, forever. Even the account's own name is a clue if you know where to look. WebDriver is a real piece of software, a framework called Selenium WebDriver, built for one job, letting a computer control a web browser by itself, clicking and testing things no human has to sit through. Point that kind of automation at YouTube's own upload pipeline on a loop, and this is roughly what falls out the other end. Not a person uploading a video every 20 seconds, a build server testing itself every hour forever with nobody watching. That's the whole thing, a quality check, running in public for 7 months by accident. Except it wasn't fully an accident. Somebody made room inside a fully automated test suite for the Eiffel Tower. For a paywalled French video for Rick Astley, Google explained the rectangles. Google never explained that part. Nobody ever said why a private testing tool needed to be public at all, let alone public enough for the entire internet to watch, count, and theorize about it for months. And here's the part that doesn't fit a clean ending. After Ventuno's investigation went public, the Facebook and Twitter pages behind the network got taken down. Several of the sibling channels got pulled or quietly switched to private. Webdriver Torso didn't. It kept going. It paused in 2017. It came back in 2018. It kept posting on and off for years after everyone already knew exactly what it was. The most recent known upload wasn't in 2013 or 2014. It was 2025. Solved, fully explained, officially confirmed by Google itself. And still, more than a decade later, quietly uploading rectangles into the void. Every other channel in the family went quiet once people were watching. This one just kept going, like being watched never mattered to it in the first place. Today, if you search Webdriver Torso on Google's own desktop search, the logo still turns into moving colored blocks. An Easter egg for a mystery, Google itself decided, halfway through solving it, to keep a little bit alive. Somewhere right now it might be uploading again.